Many of Ghana for the church of Bibiara Ocean. We did this about the Adam into Ubia okay. Yatanasi, a baby shan de catra. Migusu Kaigan and Ibia said, as time goes on, the Army Kaio said, Cassabi or Bruni, Ejinaso Adadain, Cassabi or Bruni, Ejinaso. I disconnected every obody or DBC assassin so. And into obody and Adam. And a wakain Biakuma. Say Yemra Church Recassi Biasu. Namun soon some continue home, Nasi de Adibia Catram say, Abrofone Bedada. Na Yamamu proofs. Namun so Mohun, Quampu, Faso, a dada. Near Mamu proofs. Our Casa Bruni Dinaso, a dada. Yakatram said before Bruni Bedada Ugian, Casa Sunupitana. Casa so a entroye, and Troyenso a Casa. And in Casa Vida, where a friend matric clans. What I say? Matric clans, Munina Munimbi, Yaka clans, Ewa Ghana ha. I say Busia, I say Ku, I say Minkanasa, I say groups. What I say family, Ewa Ghana and Sana class at here. What I say, and a class Casaneda honey, ye see natural. What I say, matric clans, Nankasan, I them, see them, and into the money atrono, ye baby Sian Hadi. No person be a woman biano, Yanya Konya, and so Ati and also I say. And in Ticasa Bonifa and matric clans, no. First of all, a ma, a Koduma ma. Tree war, what I say, TRI Naya Umuno is the same as TREE. It is tree. Didn't a trick clans na me try to finish a topic on so. More about Tiasiafi, and I say, Muamba Tiasie. What I say, Yamian and Babatrem was Sibu, much more about General Nemo said. Where far soon now Casanema, and no swan I catro. What I say, because a natural push na bro. And to the tree aspect of what we class now, Bunina Mayano. About the beer was as Subiano, the tree of life, the trees, and a Maya life. The trees and a Maya qua, and no money more in our so, sa in meaning and more in our lives on earth. What I say, and no Maya won't die, I was sorrow, I won't be so. Almost saying you need to be so. And more baby, Yanisha Tower, Yenny Pansu and Yanisha Taibi. What I say, so it is coding tree because everything online on the land, the tree. What I say, any person say it's all about the trees. The tree of life. And it's trick na benya hono TRI na boninya hono code no as trick no nya hono code no as TRI no. Ni nyina ne say kasa na ode ma ho onum say wa fa so adada wo abra wunya konya bi ntiase because obeye bone ube disconnect wo ube nya konya na enye de ntiase enti kasa bi ye nimbo ye asase su as friend say ye clan name musibia na ye ba bi sua ho ade bian ebe mo ya konya ma ye hu kwa boni fa so ye den e dada ye disconnecting ye free asase na etiso ho. What I say, and for me, that I can say that's why, and maybe the Gina almost a casaro. What I say, Intermediate say, tree no code on, because of the living things on the land. What I say, and one in depend on the tree. Yes, you any pass will depend on the trees. What I say, it's all about the man and the trees. What I say, Intermediate for Nibia and Libia, and I catch them say, Boni Ada, Boni Atu. What I say, and a papa so Rollins. Obetre, Obekaka said, Mammy has a bit my hair in Funinansa. Me papa chowe mwebi aya enimu mo Ghana for a winam we pa ta kunkum mo we are bruchiri boni na bi ni window e mo bani pem wa bruchiri. What I say, but Ghana yet no mo free ni pem. No more baby because ye tata mododo. So what I say, to we bruni na be in window, and I will say more abegina any fences with diagro. What I say, but Ghana won't be only in a room. What I say, it's answer you to Musruin. Yeah, no more by way. What I say, we are Ghanaian, you know what I'm saying. We are breakthrough. More said a matter of breakthrough, no. More said I wish her. What I say, you can say breakthrough. The aperture wa hani say breakthrough na say. What you say? Aboa we ya, aboa won suro tu. What you say? Na obetime kuta uto won semu ama onsa abere. Na wa bretu na ase, wo de tu na to fom. Enti bretu ase. What you say? Ena won suro tu, enti na obepopo ama wo de tu na to fom. Sa na mo peso mo kire wo. What you say? Wan fan to fom so na kuta obebere. Enti bretu. What you say? We mu kro mo ma me bi wo ho, mo hime bi wo ho a. Or more than we. It will crown on to. What I say, your number of bullets, I say, we dear and son of a form. What I say, wouldn't pay me answer, Sana, or body of ball bars, I say so. And so disconnect on what is our friends and 2 million, only be. What I say, where a such a clan name, more matricans than ever hano. More I see now, make our seminal. And I trust him most I ever. What I say, Abua we are hwene ye osifa ko just our spotted aduane bi na wetu fa no akwakofa aduane no ofan so a na fa no de ko. What I say no akwako gina fa ko no odi osi wasa otu oni babi oko enti ebuni se okiri asa enoma nyina sa wi aduane di kwa na mo hangi wi mu no musa. What I say no mo de hwehwe ni mu mo de hwehwe aduane akwakofa. What I say, Babo Yusifako, and Yesi Uchiri Asa. The animal hated down. Honestly, our body will depend on the tree of life. What I say, Intina Bonisi mat tree clans. What I say, we are clans. Clans inside I say groups. Trees in also I say clans. Because in Debu as Asiswa, you cannot find them anywhere. What I say, so they are in groups. What I say, and they are all from the Ma. So it is talking about the man and the tree of life. What I say, Intiabo Musi Uchiri Asa, honestly a shape on our own be. Wajina mas intimate Wajan Coso. What I say, Inti Casa de Betrudino, or the trouble with Sudi, Emani. What I say, Entiwe Uchiri Asa, Chiri Asa, Intino Crescimo woman, Uji Anifrua, no boni, Mensano, Asachiri, Yasasano because of I know, the Chiri Asa. Yes, a casano and a disconnecting. When Hunu Casa, ultimate solution from the creator who brought you. What I say, Casanas or Junemo. Oyoko, where Oyoko maybe the Kodu and Mobidin Cheremo. We a eagle. Dentia Brunituni eagle because of Nenino, all angers, every anger, and every. Anger, eager. What I say, and I friend Oyoko. What I say, Oyoko na your friend, or didn't your friend Oyoko say, Abo any din say Okoyo, what's any dibakoya Okodie. Man can change a bobo dear, Messi bobo dear, see Ronaldo bobo dear. So I say Christian Achu bobo dear, as someone giant bobo dear, who did dear so, not just say Okodie. So what I say, enti atrose me wo mu no mo se maka say o bi wo hwa ye ntro ye o no ye ntro ni sei enti na ye bi mu say ye tro 20 alphabetical identities ye ntro 20 de 90 ma kyerem say de tro o we enti wo no mu gina so di atro. What I say, o no mu gina so esesa din ni ma ye enti okoyo we okoyo. What I say, and one Oyoko, Okoyo. What I say, intuition day. Also, shapes in the shapes now, one on this will be Metro Janko, so much of the echo. What I say, where a corner. What I say, again, near Otidin, we are a corner. And more way a corner, mom, your casa be beyond nice, what I say, come on. Too much skills, fighting skills. It's your queen na. What I say, too much of fighting skills. What I say, it's a corner. What I say, a corner. Salon person much row. And that's the nature of this animal. Honestly, depending on the tree of life. What I say, Bonise buffalo. From low, so about the teacher from far low. What I say, you bull, so about from far low. A corner mano. ye bibi fonso ye ko ye pije ni pasho what say aboa we what you say mu bi ono mo kan hu ofie ye start say ye tete mo na no mu nyina mu dwane gya yen what you say we asinie we bat asinie menya say that me pronounce no class na mo pronounce no kire mo what you say enum nyina o masinie what you say we enum nyina asase so o fa ne wo kese en fa ne so yo kodie what you say ye oni pe bi ho mu etieti abo monyi pa o mu yes smallish but o monyi enu chabo we ya uhunu we monyi na no monyi no masinie. This is their ancestor. They also have ancestors. What you say ehenti asinie enu ti no nko atare dua so a no de ni ma kire form enti no nko won natural abbreviated broniaman abbreviated identities as bat being a balance any abody creation and a tiny tree of life and also gina balance tree of life intermesha se make chem say matrix is all about the ma tree and the clans we are also in clans. The animals are in clans, the trees too are in clans. What you say? Why are we killing people in other clans? Why are we not eating our own clans? What you say? Is yade. Enti no man nyina masini. What you say? We asonna. Abo emu ni mu no mo fe ne sen kro ampan. Anya we ne ampan no. We no yedidi no. Kwa de bi no. Dede no yenti no mo fe no asona no. What you say? De bi anya asona we esona enada ni bi ni. Esuona osusan ti osuona mano. What you say? Abo we esuona mano mu nyina so munim. Obem obetima kemu sa ma mo kra no. Mu kwa mu nya no kra so bebe mo. Yeni mabo we yenim se de osufa. What you say? Nti esuona mano. Nti nada ni bi ni. Ene wa wo hwami wo achede bi obo adede obesi asase se wonso ne me beche ho. But you don't even know because you have disconnected yourself from your soulmate. The real soulmate are these animals. Your real soulmate are these animals. Your wife is not your soulmate. Your husband is not your soulmate. Your child is not your soulmate. That soulmate you are seeing in your husband or your wife, it is spelled with S-O-L-E. S-O-L-E. And this soul the Creator gave you is S-O-U-L. We have decoded soul and spirit. This is your real soulmate who are to help you in life. What I say, but you are treating other mates so they cannot do what they have to do for you. What I say, into a soon mano, or no shapes in be or your body, or depending on the tree of life. It doesn't know Gina, not Gina homie. What I say, so we are all benefiting from the ma and the tree of life. What I say was as into soon and yet asuna. What I say, soon Casano, Uhu Casaya. And no ultimately no mama kasa nti mu nyina ya mu ya pa ya mu bodua mu ye nyina no you people are not connected. What I say kasa no mo kan bo ade ntiase. What I say en ntiase mu ye bibifo ntiase kasa mo ka kire no otiase abede no sun kra na mu nsa su kra nim kasa no sa mo kan kra na enye sanete. If you are talking to me and I don't understand the language you are speaking to me, what can I do for you? Let's be real in life. We are human beings. The Creator created us to have the serpent knowledge to be able to understand anything you want to understand. Whatever your mind, there what dream piano, that means there's a solution. So trace that solution. What I say, you need your soulmate. Agona, when so nada womb. Agrona. Okay, Udie, young fan say. Another woman say, we are my catcher, say, you be sure one day. Ain't agrona, my boy. What you say? Parrot, agrona mano, obia nim parrot biano, munimini, into mudi dini, ejinaho, and before so ye pagro. What you say? And before ye pagro, what you say, try the maybe do be diagram. This time, I say, Mamu, dear Cosso. What you say? You be diagram on Fikra Bayoya. Into we are grown. What you say? Bruni Tembiano Brunia is serious. But Bibino Sayana, Idiagropa, Idiagrudi, first and Idiagramo. What I say? And Cecilia Crabofa, Gia Cocha, Yamama Babefa. and I is serious more in life for killing animals and more my free with animals. Where a Diana, where Cramani, what I say, where Diana, Diana, what I say, Mudi Ija, Ato Abwana no. Without fire, you cannot have food. So, Diana, Usanya, Diana, a womb. What I say, 10 is common, food is common. The tree of life gives us food, and it is not dying, it is still growing. Then tia nnuani wunu ai because we are ban say nkofo bi so ho a ombesa ba asase so unko heaven what I say hell na da ho do be catch say hell ni obi aka chen say me say hell ho onti ase a family number man of komi page ho no family number what I say no me kire me dey nti o say hell ho the hell you know hell na ho sorry heaven na me pese me kan hell na ho hell ni hell land e wo ho ye di kodu kona kosuan wa de heaven so her fence ye di kodi kona kosuan ha de obekọ minu nyina beka kosuan hell ono sofo ono malam ono politician obi biara ni mu no asase su bia na beka kosuan hell ho e ho na ebe ma with the foforo na odi a live wo ho what as intimacy pe wahini wo ho anya osoro ba bi na wo kwa live enti we aduane ye na edu se na because edu ye 10 1 plus 0 be ma 1 ye abode and if you be abekomu nsu we are more than 10 we give birth plenty. What you say into eduyenna yasas in eduyenna what you say eduane yenna no what you say na befs and so edu so yenna 10 is more is common what you say into dog and fire is food what you say krama mpuja or person chiro say we eduane without this you cannot have food.
3 people in a room, but the following morning one was dead.
Yeah, Papa said there was 3 people in a room. The following morning, one was dead. Me no gonna for mutie me. Ye mama sua brofo because brofo na nya kasa. What I say ba beti brofo a ewo kasa emu. What I say de nya kwanya adwene ho bi. There was 3 people in a room. Macho se kasa 3 na da ho no. Enye ye dia. Enye na trust a 3 no. Abrofo 3. Eno mu gina ho ma 3rd degree. What I say in the speech in Nukresimu Mubiano, now so young. The following morning, one was dead. One about the ONE, we are all on earth. One was dead, one will be dying. Machamo sa Ghana, Yenheni, and Semi Besisi, Yempenny Fono, Omuko, Munomuko, Nukren, so they cannot come and tell us. What I say, they have to be talking like this and see whether some of us have actually the serpent knowledge to translate what they are saying, you know. Now, if you know, they will know that. What I say, anytime make a say, if you are not saying anything about your identities, your abede on the internet, on Facebook, they are seeing. What I say, one was dead. Macham Ghana, and some people are forming 16 regions, 1 plus 6 by 7. They have given us the opportunity to be wise at the serpent knowledge, as the serpent stage. What I say, and your foundation, 2020 as your foundation. What I say, Nanya foundation, and from Piki Kasa. Ya 2021, a physical, 2022, a 6, I in Geom Casanina Tumuno, within that time, no, they are talking to us. Was a Ghana, some part of Ghana, be Ghana Bemobo. What I say, we be sound sem. Anything Mumma and Casano wants him as soon as possible. In Yakasano, Sisia, the following morning, one was dead. Yena ya body. What I say, yen, a baby for ya body. Or Casachra, what I say,
And the other 2 who were alive were arrested and taken to court. And as
the other two, the woman. What I say, you cannot kill the woman. And today were not killed, they were arrested. They were arm arrested. What I say, yanchi woman, but yachi woman to me kunyame. What I say, be able to my bonami so bo, I can be a trinyame, I can be a trinyame, you cannot kill God. 2 is the woman, and I do more court.
We're asking them, or as the court proceedings were going on, the case was beginning to find one of them guilty.
One of them guilty. Ghanaians, we are guilty. I'm boldly telling you this because me defended the American Waha any day, anywhere, anytime. What you say? We are guilty. What then are you guilty for killing the animals? We are guilty. So whatever is bound to happen to us, the Creator cannot come in. The only way the Creator can come in, that's the only solution. What's your solution? Say black identity is a threat to the world than Al-Qaeda. It's true. Identity na can wasem no na bed na me no kan wasem no. What I say? Identity na me no kan wasem no. E no boni catch us say a threat to the world no. But we be no kan no ni mu wa bed na a threat to the world no. What I say? Enunti eno na me kire wase wa ha no. Into one of them was found guilty. Yen ene ye guilty no. Ye be before.
And they were going to make a pronouncement on him. You know what he asked? The one who's alive, he and I, we come from the same village. We've sworn on the Bible, sworn on the Quran, sworn on the sword, and yet I'm the one being found guilty. Please, I beg that.
Sworn on the Quran, sworn on the Bible, and sworn on the sword. Maybe say, yeah, before you saw the D. What I say, you saw the dear, what born your mammy and sent him ever. What I say, Nina Akodie, ye did say Bible no Yakodie, ye did say Quran no Yakodie, and you saw the no so ye did say Yakodie. What I say, you also Nina so.
The judge, etc., take us to the village we come from. We have a shrine over there, and let us go and swear on that shrine and see whether I am innocent or he is the cop.
Also, among shrine. Omu free baby, omunkosa hono, munkosa shrine so makacho say she reigns and od boni di hye kasa no. Baby anka yesen ka wokọ ho a dia peso hu ubisem bia no, ubisa na kachero. But this time you don't find any truth there because boni gina aibisu or shrine mu no. E dey disconnect you omu from the Creator who is the she no. What did I make on say? Into cock shrine wa na yakokum akoko bi egu nyama no sama. They believe they are also doing something. What I say, nothing happens for you. Ghana. I don't think I can enti komo mu tititi ya konfo no mu wo Ghana ha nka obi antimi nya mpenyufo hwe udi nka wo de chechire na jiska no ho krafa ko bi adwuma ma Ghana fo wo sa konfo no ana wo sa mala no do it like that. What I say, enti afena ma be kire mu say kasa na betimi ayesa kasa na me no mo kan wasem. That's the only solution. So they want to a shrine to go and swear or catch kire say yemfa ye gidiem call back to ya mamre mu ya papa sa na o catch kire yen or ya papa o. What I say, but edu be na waso ye dia o papa ye din hwe ma ye be hwe. What I say, enu to kasa kire yen. Before you go back to our shrines, we have to stop killing the animals. That is our point of disconnection. What I say, you didn't silence show any year pay for a body. Apart from no, and Mujabiane, I will say a good for Masana or body Timaka, they are so catchero. What I say, any shine or can was or can about purity. What I say, you need purity to go back to your Creator. And if you have to go back to our shrines to prove you are powerful, then it means I will say, Johnny may be about the say.
Whether I'm the murderer or he is the culprit.
Whether I'm the murderer or he is the culprit. What you say? Next time, me share culprit kasa ni mansana mababat. Odie next time no, me share na ma chepin one of my lessons. Murderer, you kasa be a murderer. What kumobi? What you say? First of all, guilty be guilty for what? And waba become murderer. What you say? You are guilty for murdering the animals. She, kasa obi antimi kan kire mu. Mi minim se so lati mi muni so lati papa mu no. Difference aba yentem. What you say? Ono so be manu, ono so say ye odi ye so wa ha ya manu kwan. Amana adi ye so tumi wa ha. Ento ye be manu tumi wa ho so. No kro no nim nti ye be manu tumi wa ho. But I know medine so what you say I'll control him. Ni so lati ni mu no ye convert ni wi I'll control him. Ye nyere be ka ko share hell ho. What you say, heaven, you could show heaven, you could show hell. What you say, me person yam show, no abuse us hell, then oh, matro the cosmo, and Javoka could show, by some me back on the cribby children intino. I was saying, Mommy to me, your mommy with dear be a sanity. what you say no kra na me ka kire mo no nyobia na betimi aka sa no kra na kire mo because eno no omodi NSA bibi man what you say intimi nim say no kra me ka kire mo o kire betimi aso na me ni wiase but me nsuro I'm not afraid to die me pesumu num crossing the day what you say because I know my spiritual duties meaning they are me here it meaning you dey da ho mame what you say this is courageous what you say
3 people in a room. By the following morning, he said, he is the culprit. Whether I am the murderer or he is the culprit. That's all the question I asked these Catholic priests. They could not answer me. Because they know you're not going to swallow any poison.
And to me, I sure say the most important part, and not me the you know.
But they know that we don't fear that Bible, we don't fear that Quran. But when it comes to our shrine,
see, we don't fear that Bible, we don't fear that Quran. Na ye mrebi na ye nsuru sa na no. What I say, na titirmebi ba na ye nsuru, we don't fear those things, those books na ye nsuru sa books no. What I say up to na ye nmu abi ati, we don't fear those books. What I say, emrebi ametro ya be de negu krata so, wa pe wa ofu se won so betimi ejina no na ode ye abede no afa woto na msma te Bible no. What I say, Quran na me nko ho because me identities ne mu no I believe in the identities so no dey me nko ho nko ka say me ko challenge no but the word Bible ni mu dey betimi ate dia famito also opa me de me abede me tro me de pense be tro fa fa to let's go house. What I say
that one we dare not joke with it. We'll go and tell the truth. The white man who brought the Bible into my country, your continent, the Muslim who brought whatever it is, he is the same person who has gone and invented the lie detector test, the chemical.
Let me see. Me nam Ghana for adagene nim na me mpese mo no so na Sunday me ti we na say me koya de eno ti kasa kakra ye papa friend say Rollins ebe ka kire eno o tuyefo o kasa kire ye o ka kire say ye man ni na ho o mo ye mu say I guilty what you say so we deserve punishment what you say o mo anga so mutimi punish ye eno mo no mo ye mpanyimfo nto so mo ma ho kwan what I say na punish ye because we are guilty for what? Guilty for murdering the animals. What I say, guilty for killing the animals, guilty for eating meat. What I say, you make over catcher, over cutters and I didn't do my. Nobody about Saudi Arabia, no catcher was a no mean meat. Over make a bit of cophobia. Whom said Menyaoki, until me job. Only something normal until me job because I know what I will do. What I say, media mayor. Man kebi anchewa it's like you know you didn't say it into so ahwe me catch obi bio oso ntiase a catch ne say ono amra no metie bi o me kan ye ho no metie bi because emri do a uhu abede na the only way you can challenge and prove it ne say so be mu jana na akwante bi ada ho bi a wa ye bi no the chiweti what I say enti makasa ne tentima no je ba pa no do ye emponti no ba atokra be video yi ma ye no one say yes why ye security video no yes why ye share video no then we throw video no so asana ye share no more than say oh then it means our children or our family they know what's going on now they are connecting now let's say they are okay they are religious what you say they are believers you can't call yourself a believer if you don't believe in something that the creator gave you until abroad no around for no ni anything China phone in Asia phone in they have identity or believe in that entry. It's a Quran they believe in the most America I've been honest to tell you say the language in the Quran are powerful languages. Are powerful because what I say and what I say is one thing you go and condemn the Quran what I say me take us in the Quran I respect the Quran but who be you are not connected to that identities in the Quran. What I say, you black man's skin, you are not connected to the identities in the Bible, neither in the Quran. So how is it going to work for you? And you are believing in it. And to me, I'm gonna for me. Makasa ne tentema. Me yabe suya DNA. Matriclans is shahwa die. your clan names no is young one dear Conacod General be what I say now so who no say a Ube here say Ube can be actually be what I say now for you be now for so can be true be what do you do what I say and a Ube here say Ube can be actually be now you know mama Dana are you okay yeah you to know yeah yanka yeah if you for a baby and can say penny for no crown I was saying come to my what I say I was saying Ube call banks Ube young girls and boys Ube call hospitals and no active western guests and if your is when you know my assembly what I say want to mean nebibia active they are not active what I say Ube brony nursing no when you could be 50-60 years or active singer and nursing what I say uko nyuma bebre agije mre wani microphone uko wo so ke baby a nke ye na esen ke fifi what I say but because when you say ye nime bia ya adwene mu e metene ya adwene mu nya papa ntino you can give us that opportunity some of them muja meeting bia monyi muja meeting bia na fe no you not think well you our leaders ye mpanyefo no muja meeting bia you not think well but you not advise us to stop eating the meat and think well like you at your stage. What I say, and you to near say, yeah, fast, near Jaja meeting here. Near sweeting here fast, near drink to say, yeah, don't have the trap of Mujino. Or my drink, been a Jesus, yeah. What I sent to me, see, I'm here for the Freemasons. They are causing our wahala. And you're gonna phone Illuminatis. You pay for you now, no Illuminati because they are not being able to tell us the truth. The Freemasons have made them ill. I understand the word, me and Betty Casamasi. So, me Casa with courage, I know what I'm saying. What I say, and to me, you may see another day. Masanso kanemo atanase. It may be a Sagana for